How to enable or disable autocorrect on Samsung Galaxy S21. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today the video demonstrates on how to turn on or off the autocorrect, also known as auto replace, on your Samsung Galaxy S21. So let's dive right in. Head over to the settings and then scroll down. So go to General Management and then go to Samsung keyboard settings. So there you'll find auto replace option. Tap on it to manage the autocorrect settings. Now you can toggle on if you want the autocorrect by tapping on the language that you use, or if you want to disable it, you can just tap on it to toggle it off. So it's as simple as that. Just remember that autocorrect is known as auto replace. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.